So I added 2-inch wheel spacers around. I'm trying to see if the tires rub when it's fully tucked in. So I'm doing this in my driveway with some bricks, and I don't know if this is fully tucked in. I mean, if the suspension is fully compressed. It doesn't look like it's rubbing anywhere. I mean, it's really close. Up here, close. Back here, close. And the other side that's fully flexed out, I have Landrover 9448 springs, which gave about a 4-inch lift, and extended Bilstein shocks. And it looks to be about 43 inches from the ground to the top of the fender well. So from here it looks like a lot of flex.